Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Please switch on your camera. Thank you. Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Dhyan Ganga Education Trust, Degree College of Arts, Commerce and Science, I, Assistant Professor Sheenu Tiwari, Coordinator of B.ScIT Department, honor to welcome all dignitaries, guests, and resource persons present here. It is truly a privilege to have the opportunity to learn from such an experienced and knowledgeable educator. As a teacher, we constantly seek ways to expand our knowledge and improve our understanding of the world. This is this faculty development program on generative AI is a perfect opportunity for us. Firstly, I would like to thank our founder and chairman, Dr. P.D. Patil sir, our director, Dr. Mrs. Anita Patil More ma'am, and our beloved principal, Dr. Bhabika Karkera ma'am, for allowing us to conduct this FDP. A special welcome is extended to our resource person of the day, Miss Maria Shalini. She will conduct the FDP for all 5 days. She is a corporate trainer and bring in experience of 7 years with a demonstrated history of working in the information technology and service industry. She is skilled in Python, machine learning, deep learning, LLM framework in the data science field. I well and field. I welcome all the participants who have joined us from various colleges and from various locations. We appreciate you to taking time off and coming here to gain knowledge about generative AI from the expertise. And I am confident that everyone here will gain something from this FDP. In conclusion, before I hand over to our resource person to start the session, I request all of you to contact me or any of our team members through WhatsApp if any technical glitch arrived during the session. Thank you all. Maria ma'am, over to you.
Yeah, thank you, Sheena ma'am. Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Good evening.
So I welcome you all to this faculty development program on generative AI.
Ma'am, your mic is not working.
Okay, am I audible now? Am I audible
Yes.
now?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Okay, yeah, thank you. Yeah, so I welcome you all.
No, ma'am, it's not
I
audible.
think, what about others?
We can hear
Wait,
you.
ma'am, wait.
We can hear you.
Okay, shall I proceed? I think Sheenu ma'am, the issues from your end, others can hear. So I'm going ahead.
No, ma'am. I'm not.
Others are able to hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so can you please give S on the chat whether you're able to hear me so that I can continue. One confirmation, S alone on the chat. I request everyone to give whether I'm audible. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all. Yeah, so I welcome you to this faculty development program on generative AI tools conducted by Dhyan Ganga Education Trust Degree College of Arts, Commerce and Science. Okay, so I would like to tell about myself a few minutes. So I'm a corporate trainer and a CEO and founder of Hamilton Learning Academy. So I have been working for past 8 years in artificial intelligence and data science field. So I've been specialized in Python, machine learning, deep learning, NLP. NLP is nothing but natural language processing, and big data and data analytics too. So I've been past 8 years I'm working in this field. Okay, so today we're just going to explore about what is artificial intelligence, what is generative AI, because generative AI is advanced level of AI. Do you agree, everyone? And before starting the session, I just wanted the session to be an interactive session. This is not going to be one-way session, okay? Because this is like where we are going to learn AI tools, and we are going to see how those tools are going to help us on the daily basis. So it will make your task to be more easier. It's going to uh, more productive in your work, okay? So please be interactive, and whenever I ask something, please respond so that I can able to get from your end also. Okay. So do you agree generative AI is the advanced level of AI? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And also you guys know what is artificial intelligence, right? Hope I think everyone are from computer science background, or I think few are from non-technical background also. No problem. I can explain what is AI, what is generative AI. But before that, I just wanted to know how many of you from technical background, that is computer science or information technology. Just you can put in the chat your department name alone. If possible, you can also put your designation, which will help me that too. Department, your designation. Okay, accounting. Okay. Yes, others. Please, everyone. It takes only hardly 10 seconds to do it. Yes, IT, assistant professor, IT. Okay, most of you are from technical background. That's fine. Okay, great. See, the thing is, I'll go ahead with what is AI, then what is generative AI, and after you got to know what exactly it is, you're going to see what are the tools are going to, going to be useful for your work, and we're going to explore one by one. Okay, so I wanted every one of you to work in that tool along with me so that you will have the benefit on that. Okay, so if you think that I will listen and I will work on later, that is also fine, completely fine. You can focus to the session and you can try it later. Otherwise, if you wanted to try along with me, that is also completely fine. Okay. B.ScIT, Department of Management Studies, BMS Maths. Okay, fine. I'll share my screen. Okay, I'm going to share the slides. Recordings, I'm not sure. Sheenu ma'am has to answer that. Okay, hope my screen is visible.
Not visible, ma'am.
Okay.
Screen is not visible.
Is visible or not visible?
Your screen is not visible, ma'am.
Okay. Please unmute. I think some background noise. You can mute yourself. No, I'm sharing it now. Hold on. Okay, I think it's visible now, right?
Yes, now it is visible.
Now it's visible.
Yes.
Yes.
So hold on. Give me a second. Okay, I would like to switch on for a few minutes. Okay, then I will switch on it. Okay. So I will tell you the difference between what is artificial intelligence and generative AI. Okay. See, when you see what exactly artificial intelligence is, nothing but it refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines. Okay, we are training the machine exactly to think and behave like human. That is artificial intelligence. For example, you take some data, you just feed to the machine, and the machine will learn everything through that data, and it try to respond us based on that data we are giving it. For example, if you take chat gpt, how do you think that is an AI tool, right? So how those tools are being developed? We are just giving a vast amount of data. We are just giving as an input to that ChatGPT, so that ChatGPT will be trained in all aspects. So what happens once you go and ask some question, it is trying to give us some answer or response based on the data it has, based on the data it has learned. Am I right? That is artificial intelligence. So you're training the machine. For example, if I wanted to predict the temperature, what is the temperature tomorrow, how that AI is predicting, because you're giving some past data, like what is the weather for the last 1 week or for last 1 month. You're just feeding that data to the machine, so it is trying to give the prediction whether it will rain tomorrow or not. Clear? That is called artificial intelligence, where you're training the machine. The machine is learning from us and trying to give us the answer based on that. That is artificial intelligence. So the input can be in any form. You can give input as an image. You can give one image and you can make that machine to recognize whether it is a human or animal, cat or dog, male or female. It is learning through different images. For example, if I'm giving few images to make my machine to learn how cat will look, how dog will look, literally I have to load 500 to 1000 images, maybe like few images, not that much. You have to give few images to train that machine how cat will look. It will learn from the image. It learns from the pattern. Oh, if cat means eyes will be like this, ears will be like this, it has tail. So the features of cat, it will learn from that. And if you're giving some new input as a cat, and if you're asking that mission to predict whether this is cat or dog or some other animal, it will correctly tell you cat. Why? Because it has learned how cat will look from the data we have given. That is artificial intelligence. Got it? And if you take artificial intelligence, like no, in all field, business, and if you come to the like product development, in every aspect, AI has taken place. Correct? Maybe in healthcare, or if you're taking in banking sector, all the field AI is taking place now. 80% of the businesses have now AI included. Clear? And I will tell you how generative AI takes place here. Generative AI is subset of artificial intelligence. Generative artificial intelligence is a subset of artificial intelligence, which means with the AI concept, I will be training my mission, right? I will be training my mission to understand what is what. For example, if you take Tesla driving car, it will follow the traffic rules and automatically it is driving the car, right? So how it is following? If I say move left, it is moving left. If I say move right, it is moving right. If I say Alexa, play the song, it is playing the song. How? It is following my instruction. So after hearing my instruction, it is generating some data. Am I right? That is called generative AI. I think, can you please mute yourself? Some background noise. Yes, any problem? Um, Please mute yourself, guys. Because am I audible? Shall I continue, or is the noise is disturbing you all? Please let me know.
Ma'am, you
Noise is
can start, ma'am.
okay. Fine. So generative AI, I told right. So AI is where you're training your machine to be ready for the prediction. Correct. And generative AI is nothing but after the machine has been learned, based on our instruction, it will generate some data. For example, I think most of you are familiar with ChatGPT. I mean, right? Everyone is familiar with ChatGPT. If I ask what is artificial intelligence, it will give you some answer for that. Correct? How it is responding? Because I've trained my machine with all these information. So when I ask some question, it is generating the data, generating the text. That is called generative AI, which is an advanced level of artificial intelligence. Are you clear, guys? Okay, and also it can generate outcome in a form of text, image, video. Now, lot of AI tools has been occurred, right? If you give some prompt, what is prompt? Some question. If you say exactly do like this, do like that, based on our instruction, it is performing exactly like that. Correct? If I say ChatGPT, be my mentor, teach me what is artificial intelligence. I have exam next week. It exactly acts as your mentor, and it is performing like that. In the same way, if you're giving a prompt, create a 10 seconds video of what is artificial intelligence, it is creating a video, right? So where your generative AI is now ready to generate the outcome in a form of text and video, image. Clear, guys? Yes or no? Are you clear till here? What is the difference between AI and generative AI? Then only I can move towards the AI tools. Are you are you clear till here? Swarna, am I audible now? Okay,
Yes.
so like you have to be clear with what is AI and how it differs from that. Clear? So AI means you're training the machine. Okay, generative AI means once the machine is trained, it generates the outcome or data based on the training you have given. So this is the difference. Clear? So now, if I take AI tools, so now we are going to discuss about 2 or 3 AI tools which is going to helpful in your work. So as a faculty, so far have you used any AI tools for your work? For example, creating a presentation slides or for going through the document. Have you used any AI tools so far to make your work easier? If yes, you can mention the AI tool name. Otherwise, okay, ChatGPT. Yes, ChatGPT. I think almost everyone is using. Do you think it is helpful? It is satisfying your prompt or queries? Yes, Copilot. And we are going to see this for all these 5 days. You're going to see a lot of AI tools. Maybe we are also going to learn the tools which you are familiar with. But apart from that, you have a lot of tools. Okay, Gamma, ChatGPT. Okay, so Gamma is for slide, right? Yes. See, whatever the AI tools you are using, it doesn't matter because literally we have lakhs of AI tools. But the thing is how effectively you are using it, how well you're giving the prompt. Okay, so the way if you're giving a precise prompt, it gives a very good content. Okay, I'm not sharing anything, Dinesh, I'm just explaining. Okay, so if you're giving a very precise correct prompt, then what happens, it gives a very good content. If your prompt is not proper, the machine will not understand what is your query and you will not get the appropriate content. The thing is you have to work on the prompt. Okay, so at end of this FDP program, I'm going to give you 1500 plus prompt as a compliment. Okay, where you can use those prompt to send emails. Clear? And we have lot of field. Literally, I have a hundred. I mean, a different field for using this prompt. Totally, I have 1500 plus prompt. You can make use of that. It will be very useful. Okay, so now we are just going to explore a tool, a very secret tool which is going to complete all of your research project assignment. For example, if you wanted to review your student performance or student assignment, yes, or research paper, mostly faculties we deal with such documents only, right? Or you let me know, as a faculty I'm dealing with such document, can you list out what are the documents you're dealing with so that I can take that as an example also. So far, what are the documents you're dealing with? Research paper, right? Then what else? Articles, research articles, books, projects. Yes, mostly research papers, right? Faculties, research papers, and textbooks. Correct. Because everything now it is in a e format. So we will be like having a lot of documents with more number of pages, right? Yes. Again, it repeats. We have only 4 options: research paper, assignment, textbook, articles or journals. Yes. So now we're going to see that what is that secret AI tool. Okay, so this is called chat PDF, or you can take it as chat with PDF, chat any PDF. So where this tool is going to help to talk to your PDF or talk to any file. Okay, for example, if you have a research paper, or if you have an article, or if you have a textbook, okay, you can talk to that textbook, you can talk to that document. Okay, so how you think it is going to helpful? For example, you have one research paper now. Maybe let me take generative AI. You have a research paper on generative AI. Okay, so how will you talk to that PDF? For example, if I have 12, 15 pages inside the document, what you will do? You have to sit and go through each and every document. Am I right? I mean, sorry, every pages. You have to sit and go through all the lines also. Am I right? So this tool will help you to summarize that PDF completely. Instead of sitting and going through all the 12 pages, you can summarize and learn it quickly. What exactly the research paper is telling. So what all it is included. You can just understand from that. Correct? Am I right? Do you think this is going to help you? Yes, Malvika. Any documentation regarding the framework? Yes. So now I wanted you, every one of you, to follow the instruction, whatever I'm doing now. So I wanted you to go to the Google and just type chat with PDF. Chat PDF. Okay. You can click any one. See, the thing is, you have to give your Gmail authentication and you have to enter into it. Clear? Give your Gmail ID, then enter, because it asks for the authentication. Now you can click on chat with PDF or anything, or you can click on the this one also, chat PDF, chat with any PDF, cider.ai or chat PDF, any link. I hope everyone is trying with me so that I can lively, I can upload some document and I can tell how can you talk to the document. Okay. So let me know who all is trying along with me. Okay. Good, good, very good. Fine. So then I'm going ahead with the implementation. Okay, I will give you one document here. Shinu, can I upload any document in the chat? Can I send it to them, or it's not possible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can.
I don't find any option for uploading it.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. I didn't find option of. Okay, you can take any document. Okay, just go to Google and take any research paper on generative AI. Download that document. Okay, or else if there is an option, I can share it the same document here, but I don't find the document sharing. Is there any option here, ma'am, in the chat box to share the document? I don't find. Okay, let me go with the presentation. Okay, already I have this. So once you click on the cider.ai, what will happen? It will ask for the authentication. Okay, it will ask for the authentication. Let me show you. Okay, see, if you're clicking on cider.ai, you will be getting this and it will ask you to tell add to Chrome. Add to Chrome. For example, if you're clicking on chat with PDF, maybe see, listen carefully. If you're clicking on chat with PDF, I'll tell you how you have to do. Just go here. You can drop your document here. Okay. After dropping the document, you will be entering inside. Otherwise, those who are following cider.ai, what will happen now? If you click on that side, you will be ending up here. It will tell that add to Chrome. Click on add to Chrome. Now it will be going and adding as an extension to your Google Chrome. Clear? So you will be having this here. So once after opening this, okay, once after clicking on this extension, you will end up with this page. Let me know whoever has reached this page. I think it's a very simple authentication, like entering Gmail account. Same. Click on that link, give your Gmail account, enter inside. The interface will be like this. Okay, I hope everyone have reached here. I'll give you 1 or 2 minutes of time. See, exactly your interface should be like this. I think I've shared my screen. I think it's in sharing mode only. Those whoever have reached, please give me yes, confirmation. Sheenu ma'am, can you please check the option whether I have an option to upload the document, please? Okay, I hope Kalpana, Malvika have reached this interface, right? Exactly this one. I want every one of you to reach this. If you're going for chat with PDF, just enter your email ID and enter inside. That's it. Very simple. But when you're going for cider.ai, it will ask you the right side. You will be having an option called Add to Chrome. Click on Add to Chrome. It will start downloading. Click on the extension. You go here and click on the extension here, and you will be ending up with this. I'll give you 1 more minute time to enter into this. Okay, I think Renuka, Kranti have reached. Very good. What about others? I'll wait for 1 more minute and then I'll move towards uploading the file. Make sure that you be ready with some file. Any PDF. As of now, take less number of pages. Don't want to upload with 100 or 200 pages. Just take like the PDF which includes 10 pages or 5 pages, a very small size PDF. Good, good. Because whoever have reached that user interface, please be ready with the document. Any document, you can go to Google and download any document. If I have the option to upload here, I can send the same document which I have, but I don't find upload file option here. Yes. If any doubt, please, you can unmute and ask or ask in the chat. Please feel free. Any doubts so far? Totally, I think more than 100 participants are there. Please, everyone, if you're finding any difficulties, issues, just ping me in the chat. I can help you. Okay, I'll tell again how to reach to this tool. Okay, I'll repeat again. Just go to Google. Just go to Google and type chat with PDF. Chat with PDF. Hold on. Please mute yourself. This is chat with PDF. I'm entering this. So when you type chat with PDF into Google, you will be ending up with these 3 links. The first one is chat with PDF, and you will be having, I think this both are same, chat with PDF. Otherwise, you can just go ahead with cider.ai. Where is that? You will find it here. Hold on. Okay, 1 second. You can also click like this, cider AI. And can you see this? The second option, ChatGPT cider. I think cider chat with PDF. You can give like this if you're not getting it correctly. Can you see the first option? So just give chat with PDF and go for the first link. Otherwise, just give cider AI chat with PDF and click on the first one. Okay, if you're clicking on this, see directly it asking you, see I actually already have signed in, so it is easily going inside. For you, it will ask you the authentication to enter. So please do the authentication and enter into it. If it is asking for, it will be telling like this, or you will be ending up with this page to tell that add to Chrome. Please click on add to Chrome. If you're clicking on that, can you see this box on the top of the page? Here you will find that extension. Can you see cider? Please click on that so that you will end up with here. Okay. Otherwise, if you're going for chat with PDF, what will happen? If after clicking on that link, see, after clicking on that link, you will be ending up with this page. So where you can drop or upload the PDF file here. Once you click on here, it will ask you to upload the PDF file. Clear, guys? Clear till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 second. I'll go very slowly. I don't like to rush up, okay, because I want every one of you try this. After clicking on this, you can just click upload in this way, or see it has many options. Okay, it's up to you. The thing is, you should have the place where you can upload your document. Okay, so now where I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to upload from my computer. Okay, from my local system, I'm uploading the document. See, I have already one research paper called language understanding paper, that is generative AI, with respect to generative AI. Click on that, click on open. Okay, so now you can just click on send. You can click enter, or you can click on summarize. I'm telling it to summarize because I have the paper. I think it includes 12 pages. So if you wanted to summarize, it will tell you to summarize. It will give you the summarize, and it will give you the point, the important one. See the abstract and what are the key points. This summarize is happening from the 12 pages. Clear? Please everyone mute yourself. If chat PDF is working for those, please go for it. Very good. It's not that you have to go for side. Any one tool, either Cider AI or chat PDF. Okay, I hope everyone have reached into the document. See, when I just go here, what is happening? If I say summarize the document, it is summarized. Yes or no? It is giving. See, I have 12 pages of document, but it is summarizing within a few paragraphs. Or if you have some question related to that document, for example, I wanted to know in what way architecture being modified to maintain performance while addressing resource concern. Just ask some question. Again, it gives you the answer for that. Maybe if you have your own question, you can just give that also.
Going to finish, Meera Mishra. You do it fast.
You can customize your question. If you have your own prompt, go for it. Ask some question to that document. What is generative AI? You can ask. If you let me ask some question. What is generative AI? If you're asking, it will try to respond. Clear? I'm asking one more question also here. Can you tell me uh, what all are the techniques used in this research paper? Okay. You can ask like that. So it will give you the answer based on this. I request every one of you to mute yourself. It is disturbing the session, please. So it will tell you what all the techniques it has used. So instead of sitting and going through the complete research paper, it will answer your few queries. You can summarize and see all the 12 pages in a single page. Am I right? Yes or no? Okay. So you can click, so I'll repeat again. You can go click on this. You can click on the, for example, I'll go with one more document. You can also use language purpose research paper. Otherwise, I'm going to click on assignment. If your student is submitting assignment, okay, if the student is submitting assignment, what you will do? Just click on that assignment, upload it here. You can use any tools, chat with PDF or Cider, anything. Okay. So once after uploading it, you will be ending up like this. Okay, see, like you have different user interface. Please don't get confused. You can go with any interface, any tool. If you're able to upload and if you're able to talk to the interact to the document, it is enough. It is not that exactly you have to go for this tool, that tool. Any tool is enough. Clear? So now see, I have uploaded my student assignment here. Okay. So I think totally 3 questions. I think actually I don't have the solution. Maybe the student, if you take the student, they will be giving you the solution also. Okay. But when I uploaded this assignment, what happens now? See, uh, it is suggesting few questions based on that. What are the steps to perform complex data transformation? Okay, I have the assignments based on some Python programming language. Okay. So now it is giving you the suggestion, or you can ask. Maybe if you don't know the solution also, you can ask the solution. Can you give me the solution for question number 1? Or you can ask like this, whether the answer for the question 1 is correct or not. You can check like that. You can correct your assignment here itself. See, when I'm asking solution, it is ready to give the solution also. Solution is nothing but a code, Python code for this assignment. It is ready to give you the solution also for the assignment. And also, in case if your student is submitting with the solution, you can check whether that answer is correct or not. You can ask that whether the solution for all the questions are correct or wrong. You can give that prompt. It will correct your assignment and it will give you, yes, all the questions are correct. If they are making mistake, it will clearly tell you first question is correct. The student made mistake on the second question at this place. It will explain and tell you. Got it? Yes. You can also upload the assignment and also the document. Yes. Is it useful? Let me know. Because see, instead of like going through several assignments, you can upload everything together also. I think you can upload all the assignments together and you can easily click and check whether they are okay. Nowadays, when you're facing in e-documents, if you're getting 50 assignment together, what happens? It is very hard to analyze. So where you can upload here and you can check it whether they have done everything correctly or not. Okay, is it fine? Everyone able to follow? I think all you are right. I've shown the demo only now. I've taken 2 examples. One I have taken the research paper, and one document I've taken as an assignment. Fine. Any doubt? Please let me know. Sanjeev, if you're facing error, please come back and again try to log in. And Poonam, have you uploaded the file or still you're facing issue? Now let me know how many of you tried this tool. Fine, Poonam. Just talk to the document. Ask them question. Actually, it will suggest question by itself. Try it with that. Otherwise, you can customize your own question also. Maybe that is your document, right? You know what will be there inside. Related to that, give some question. It will give you the answer. Thank you, Firdaus. Okay, good, great. I'm happy that everyone are trying this, trying the AI tools along with me. Okay, so if everyone are okay with this tool, we can move to the next AI tool. Okay. Rest of the members, like whoever facing issue, please let me know, because I wanted to focus you also, because I don't want to rush up and run, because everyone should be able to log in and upload it. So once you are okay with that, you can, in the future, you can upload anything. And also I wanted to mention one more thing. Okay, few tools is paid tool. You know, right? Most of the AI tools are paid. That is common. But whatever the tools now we are using is free up to some limit. Like you can upload only 10 documents like that up to some limit. Maybe in your organization, if they're ready to pay for that tool and if they are giving you some tool, you can go for it. Otherwise, you can just try it with a limited edition. I think the Bing Copilot, right? So they have an option, I think almost free. Everything is free. Chat GPT version 3 is free. When you go for GPT-4, what is GPT? Anyone, can you tell me, if I say chat GPT, what is that GPT? Any idea? Very good, Kalpana. Generative pre-trained transform. Generative pre-trained transform. Okay. So we have, yes, correct, Archana. Generative pre-trained transform. So it will have different version. So ChatGPT 3 is free. ChatGPT 4 is, you have to pay for it. But coming to Bing Copilot, what they have done now, whatever the thing you are going to pay and make use in ChatGPT, they are completely giving free in Bing Copilot. So if you are finding some limitation, please recharge, or like they are asking you to pay upgrade premium, please go for Bing Copilot. It's completely free. Okay, because but comparatively, when I compare ChatGPT and Bing, ChatGPT is performing wonderful, awesome. Okay, but Bing is also okay. I'm not telling it is bad. It is doing its work, but comparatively, ChatGPT is better. One advantage in Bing Copilot is it's completely free. You don't have to pay for it. That is one advantage we have. Clear? Okay, fine. I hope everyone okay with this tool. Yes. Okay. So now you can just use this document. How do you think this chat with PDF is going to helpful for the students? As a faculty, you got to know how to make use of this AI tool. How will you suggest your students to make use of this tool? How it will benefit for them? Any idea? Chat with PDF. How it's going to benefit for the students? Generally, you ask questions about the content of the PDF. Okay, you're interacting with the PDF, fine. But when you come to the student side, see, it can act as a virtual tutor, correct? They can what to say? They can just, yes, better documentation. Yes. For summarization, they can ask question, and for example, if they have some document, they don't know meaning of some word or for some sentence, they can ask, what is this? It is going to tell you, because it is AI tool. By built-in, it will have all the data. So if you ask some meaning for the word or sentence, it is going to answer for them. Yes, and if you can tell that Chat GPT itself to take notes, summarize, and give me. Or what are the techniques, like important notes it can take? Yes, I think Romani is a very good answer. Seek specific information from the PDF. In those cases, it will be helpful for the student. Make notes own, ask questions. Very good. So like it can help both students and faculty, where you can it will be useful for project, essays, research topics. Yes. Okay. It allows a user, see, one common thing is it allows users to ask questions about the content of the PDF and make understand what is there inside. I don't have time to sit and go through all the 12 pages. I think mostly students, they rush up studying when the exams are nearing. For those students, if they wanted to summarize everything and take what is the important information on exam perspective, they can go and learn from the chat PDF. It will tell what all is very important. Fine. So now, next we're going to learn about Gamma. I think most of you are familiar with Gamma, right? It's going to give you a stunning presentation slides without any effort. Am I right? Also, we are going to see one more presentation AI tool that is going to be very interesting. But first, I will finish it off this Gamma. Okay, so Gamma is going to create slides from text to presentation. Clear? So now I wanted you, every one of you, I think, hope everyone is ready now. Please go to the Google again and you can click on the Gamma. Where it is. This is the user interface. First, you can just directly go to the Google and type Gamma AI. Gamma Slides AI or Gamma AI, everything is okay. Can you see the first link here? This is the logo. I think the people who have used are familiar to it. Correct? So use Gamma, click on Gamma. Already I have signed in, so it is entering directly here. For you, what it will ask? Any idea? It will ask you to give you the Gmail authentication. Very simple. Go ahead with give your Gmail account, sign in, then come up. Or if you're a new user, please give on sign up. I think now since I logged in, it is not showing that option. Let me show you. It will ask, okay, again sending up with the same page. Can anyone please share your screen? Is it possible? Any one of you who is entering into Gamma, please share your screen. Yes, Smita. If you're a new user, please sign up and enter. It will take you to the Gamma page. That means, let me show. If you're a new user, you can sign up and enter it. So if you are logging in, your interface will be like this. Exactly when you enter Gamma, you will be into this place. Okay. Fine. Okay. Apart from Malvika, anyone is ready to share the screen so that I can guide you starting from the sign up or sign in. Please, any one of you. Is anyone ready to share the screen? Okay, if it is working fine, if you're able to enter, okay, that is completely fine. Hope everyone getting either sign in or sign up, right? Please let me know. Yes. Okay, then I can share my screen and I can go ahead. Okay, good. Just give your Gmail authentication, sign up and enter into this page. You have to reach here, this one. Or let me sign out. I'm signing out. I'm going to give my new ID and I'm going to sign it. Okay, I'm not a robot. Okay. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Hope everyone have followed. Hope everyone reached here. Give me the confirmation so I can create the slide. What purpose? I think you can mention for what purpose. You can give any reason. For academic wise or for business. It asks whether for business or for education like that. You can give any reason. Okay, so whoever is ready with the Gamma, whoever have entered into the Gamma AI tool, please give me yes. Okay. Yes, I think you can share your screen, Vibhuti. Yes, you can share it. I'll stop sharing it. Okay. Most of you are entered. That's great. Whoever is willing to share your screen and solve your doubt, you can do it now. I'm giving time for you only. You can share the screen. Okay, it asked whether I'm a student or any other purpose. So does AI work differently? It's not like that. See, you know about AI tool, right? If you're telling that, be my professor, it acts as your professor. If you tell it to act as a yoga trainer, it behaves like a yoga trainer. If you tell ChatGPT to act as a interviewer, it exactly behave like an interviewer. In those cases, it wanted to look at the perspective. If it is professionals, if you are giving it as a professional, it will go in a bit advanced level. Okay, or it will give the words in a complicated way or in a professional way. See, I cannot take the student content to the corporate. Correct, it looks childish, so it behaves in a different way only. Yes. And if you're mentioning student or professional, the outcome will be based on the prompt you are giving. Okay, how you are behaving. See, for example, if you come and meet me, the way you behave to me, I will reflect back to you, right? The same way AI tool is designed. How much ever how much ever the prompt is in a very precise way, it will give you 100% exact answer. Clear? If you think that it is not giving the right answer, or if it is making some mistake, then you have to see whether have I given a right prompt, correct prompt. Okay, because it works on based on the prompt. Shall I proceed? Shall we proceed to create the presentation? Okay, I'm going ahead. So now you can create new AI. See, you have lot of options inside this. A very interesting tool actually. You can also import. You can also just click on create new AI. Okay. Now can you see? Let me go again. Can you see the blue color icon here on the top? Create new. Create new. Click on that. You will be ending up with these three options. Okay, how would you like to give your prompt? Input here, you have to give the input here. Whether you're giving the prompt, or you're pasting some text, or you're giving some file or link. So whatever the input you're giving here, it will convert that into a stunning slide.
Shalini ma'am,
Yes.
your screen
Yes.
is not visible. Your screen is not visible.
Okay, one second. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'll repeat again. Okay, I hope everyone have reached this page, right? This one. Okay, so once you log in, you will be reaching out this page. Now, can you see the blue icon on the top of the page? Create new. Click on that, create new. Okay, I hope everyone is able to see this, right? You will be having three options. Whether your input, you're giving it as a text or prompt, or your input is in a form of file or URL. So you have a lot of options here. You can see if you have ChatGPT, we have a lot of AI tools where the outcome will be generated as a text. You can go there, you can tell that I have such scenarios, such use cases, give me the content according to that. So you're giving the correct prompt, you're getting some text. And you can copy the text and you can paste it here in the option called paste text. And you can, if you give convert, it will be converted into slides. Otherwise, if you are willing to give only the prompt, I have the prompt directly, I'm giving the prompt, I'm generating the content here itself. That is second option. The third option is whether you have URL of any website or any articles or research paper, give that URL over here. For example, I have downloaded one PDF, right? That research paper. So where you have that URL link, copy that URL link. So it takes data from that URL link and directly converts into presentation and slide. Okay, so you have three options. As of now, what shall I think everyone is good at ChatGPT. What I'm going to do now, I'll tell you, I'm going to move to ChatGPT and I'm going to give a prompt where I'm going to create a competitive analysis report. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to I'm telling ChatGPT to create a competitive analysis report that is with Flipkart and Amazon. Okay, we'll ask to do it. Hold on. So once you get the text, if you put, it will be converted into stunning presentation. I'll tell you how to do it. Hold on. Give me a second. Okay, because I already have the prompt, so I'm just going to take the prompt and I'm going to paste it. Okay. Hold on. I will give you all these prompts, okay? Don't worry. When I teach this ChatGPT tool, that time I'll be giving you all these prompts. But as of now, I'm just for creating a slide. I'm telling how can you create directly. You can go and give the prompt, guys. Like what is generative AI? Give me 10 slides with the introduction and detail of generative AI. What are the use cases? And give the conclusion. If you're mentioning that all those things, it gives within 10 slides. Otherwise, if you're thinking that no, I have to do some research and analysis, I'll be bringing the text. Then I wanted that text to be converted into slides. That also possible. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take this one. Uh, Give me all the details about Amazon's Great Indian Festival. Okay. I think ChatGPT is not opening. Or if not, let me go to Bing Copilot. Okay. Any AI tool, whichever is able to, you're open now, go to that. Okay. I think this one is working well. Now I'm going to give this here. So what I'm giving now? Give me all the details that you know about Amazon's Great Indian Festival. Okay. I'm just going to run this. It's going to give some content. Okay. So now see, it will tell what all the festivals, offers, deals, discounts will be there in Amazon. It will list out. Now you're feeding data to the machine now. Okay. Now it knows what all the offers it has in Amazon. The next prompt, see how I'm giving. Expand upon all the points that you have given me. I'm asking to expand upon. Please listen carefully. I'm asking to tell expand upon all the points. Now it will give you the summarization of this Amazon deal. Okay. So now my Bing, that is my AI tool, is ready with Amazon festivals, everything, the product, memberships, it's ready with everything. Okay. Now look at the final prompt I'm giving. Very, very important. Now I'm telling my AI tool to act as a marketing manager working in Flipkart, which is Amazon's competitor. So Flipkart has its own big billion days, like Great Indian Festival. Flipkart also has big billion days. I think you guys know that. Okay. So based on the above information, you can give that prompt. You don't have to type all the information again. Based on the above information, create an outline for an 8-slide presentation. Okay, the title should be Great Indian Festival and its implication on Flipkart business. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get the content from here so that I can paste it in the Gamma and I can convert into slide. You can do in this way. Otherwise, the second option is directly give the prompt in the Gamma itself, and that is also fine. Now, you just witness know how beautifully it converts into slides. See, now it is showing clearly showing. If you see, um, totally it should have 8 slides. The introduction, markets, landscape, it has like this totally 8 slides. So it is giving all the 8 slides. What should be the title? What should be the content inside that? Okay. Now what I am going to do now, very simple. I'm going to copy this content. I've copied. Okay. I've copied this content and I'm coming to the Gamma. I don't know what happened to ChatGPT. It's sometimes it's facing issue. We cannot open it. So I'm coming to the Gamma now. Now I'm going to click on paste in text. If you are okay to give the prompt, directly click and go give the prompt. That is fine. Now I'm going to click on the first option, paste in text. Now you will be having the space here to copy the content which you have taken from the Bing Copilot. Okay. So now I'm pasting this. Got it? So now, after pasting the content, you have a lot of options. See, what would you like to create with this content? Presentation or website or document. Okay, so here presentation is enough. So I'm going to click on the presentation, click on continue. So once I click on the continue, it will be configuring your input, whatever you have given. Okay. Just give me a second. 1 second. Don't worry, I will share the prompt. Yes, Yogini, if you are able to create presentation with prompt, that is fine. But here, a very different operation we are seeing, like how to take the content from AI tool and pasting it here. Let me give you the prompt in the chat. Hold on. I think. Okay, I've given the prompt in the chat. Please, you can make use of it. Now let me go and see what it has done. The presentation. Okay, so now once you click on presentation and click on continue, you will be ending up with here. Okay, so it tells that you have 8 cards, 8 presentations, 8 slides, and it is telling that whether you wanted to make brief or detailed or medium or bold, nothing. I just wanted to be as it is. I don't want any changes. So I'm just going to click on continue. See, once I click on continue, it will ask for the theme, which theme you want. Okay,
Excuse me, ma'am.
wait for it. Yes.
Ma'am, your screen is not being shared.
It's in the sharing mode only.
No, we are not able to see it.
Okay, hold on. Okay, now let me give me the confirmation, because see, most of the people are able to see. I don't know what
If you see
happened.
the
Okay, now
chat.
it is visible now.
No.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am, it is visible.
It's
Yes.
visible.
Now
It's
it is
visible.
visible. Visible
Visible.
now.
It is
So you
visible.
Yes,
saw
visible.
that clicking on generate, you saw that, right? The previous one. This step you're clear now.
Yes. Yes,
This
it's
one.
visible.
I'm pasting the content. See, I'm again okay of the previous one. Okay, I'll go again from the beginning. See here, I'm repeating it again. Maybe those whoever missed. So paste in text. I'm clicking on paste in text. So I'm going here, copying the content from the I've taken some competitive analysis report. Now I'm copying that, coming here, pasting it here, and I'm clicking on presentation and continue. I'm clicking on continue. So once it will start configuring your prompt, and you will be ending up here. Again, it will ask whether you're okay with this. I'm okay. So I'm clicking on continue again. Now it will ask for the theme. Maybe if you are giving shuffle theme also okay, or if you are okay. Uh, if you want, okay, you're giving up to the AI tool itself, then click on generate. You don't have to click anything. The AI tool itself will take care of it. So now see, once I clicked on generate, I'm not touching anything. It is automatically, see, it has taken the appropriate image. It is automatically creating the stunning presentation. See, without any effort. That too in a, two, I think hardly take 1 minute or 2 minutes. Yes. You can also download this PDF, I mean this slide, PPT. No one will identify that you have taken help from the AI. Once you download, you don't have any logo registration, nothing. Exactly, it comes to the Microsoft PowerPoint. Okay, so everyone thinks that we have done it. Clear? And I'm telling you that even in corporate, we are making use of this Gamma for the presentation, where like it hardly takes only 1 or 2 minutes. We are finding it very easy. See, this is a slide one. Let me scroll down. You can just have a look. See whatever the analysis I have taken, what report I have taken. If you're giving the prompt directly, it doesn't give this much detail, right? That's why I went to AI tool, where I've given some analysis report. I told the AI tool itself to take the report. For example, if I'm conducting Great Indian Festival, how Flipkart business will affect. So I'm taking that analysis, competitive analysis report. Now look at the outcome. See, you can just look at the slide. Sales and revenue trends, customer behavior insights. See, like that you can give title, like see for example, creating a slide is very common in being a faculty is very must, right? So you can just directly go, it hardly take 2 minutes only, not more than that. Are you clear? You can also go, you can click on share. Can you see export? If you're clicking on export, you can give it as export to PowerPoint. If you click on that, see it is going to download it. I will open and show you. Okay, your export is ready. Okay, click here to download it. Okay, it's downloading. See, I'm just opening this. Okay, I'm just opening this. It's like exactly how we have created slide in our system. No, it is similar to that. See, if you open this, you can edit also. You can edit there itself, or after downloading also you can edit it. Okay, so it's opening. Okay, see, you can click on enable editing. If you want, you can remove this made with Gamma logo. You can remove it. Okay. So now it is exactly how you have done. If you want, you can click on this and you can remove the logo. Okay. So that no one will identify this is something we got from AI tool. Okay. This is exactly. So you can edit if you want, you can edit the text, color, whatever you want, you can edit. Actually, you can edit in the Gamma tool itself. Can you see? You have an option to edit here itself before downloading. But after downloading, if you have anything to change, that is also possible. You can download and you can make use like however you are using a normal PowerPoint. In the same way, you can edit it. Clear? Yes. Are you clear till here? Yes,
Ma'am,
I think
can
that's
you
quite.
repeat previously, ma'am, can you repeat this one? Like from where we can download?
Which one?
Previous screen, how to convert to PPT?
Okay. Um, I have to go from the beginning. See,
No, not ma'am, not beginning.
ah,
This from here.
from here now.
Yes.
Okay, see here you have the prompt. I've taken the text and I've pasted it here, right? After this, just click on continue. That's it. If you click on continue, it will ask for the theme, which theme you want. You can also choose. You have lot of option, whether professional or colorful. Or if you don't, if you are thinking that let AI tool take care of the theme, just go and click on generate. Okay. If you're thinking that each slide should have different theme, then you can click on shuffle theme. That also you can make use of it. Now it automatically creates. That's it. Got it? So I think this one is good. It is showing some report also, analysis report. Okay. Yes. Hope I think every one of you found this tool useful, right? I think a lot of doubts. Hold on.
But ma'am, I have joined from fifth slide. What you have done before that?
No, I'm not getting you.
Ma'am, because of some issue, I was not able to join. Many participants were not able to join. We were there on a YouTube link.
Okay.
So I have started here from a fifth slide. What you have done earlier?
Fifth slide means I'm not getting you exactly. You can just
When
okay, tell me.
I started from this gamma and
Yeah, actually it has some flow. You have to listen from the
create
beginning.
with, I have started from this create with AI, paste to text, generate, then import
Ah,
file or URL. This part is clear, but before that, what you have done?
okay, hold on. See, you were clear. You were seeing this one, right? After
Yeah.
clicking on this, how to paste the text. Okay, after clicking on this, so how did I paste the text here? Now, very simple. I went to Bing Copilot. Okay, so I went to Bing Copilot and I've done
So
some
paste
research
I
by
have
Bing.
seen. Paste I have seen. I
This
saw
one
there
you're
that
this one you've done now. Bing Copilot, what we have done, you're clear with this now. I have
I am
went to
ask, I am
see. Did you
asking you at that time you were on fifth slide. Fifth
fifth slide?
slide of your PPT. Of your PPT.
My own PPT. This one.
No, no.
See, actually, you're telling that. See, I'll tell you what I've done. I've just
Yeah,
kept it.
yeah. This is on the left side. This is on the left side. From
I've
where
just
you
paid.
were.
I don't know, like exactly from where you're asking. So I've pasted the content here. I've just clicked
I,
on
I have
continue.
I have not joined right from beginning. I have
Okay.
joined from this part only.
Okay, fine.
So
I think
I
then
am
you have
asking you what you have done earlier before
that
this.
takes that is I don't see. I from the beginning we just went through chat with PDF. Chat with PDF tool. We just learned that tool, and then we came to Gamma. For creating the slide again, we went to Bing Copilot to do some analysis report. We have taken that content. Then we again came back to Gamma. We have pasted the content and we have created a slide. This is what we have done.
On WhatsApp, they have shared two links to for this
No,
Copilot.
actually, I think if you already you have the video recordings will be there in the YouTube. I think so. You can go to the YouTube
Okay,
and also you can
okay,
watch it.
okay,
Okay.
okay. Then it is not a problem. Then it
Okay.
is not a problem.
Otherwise, I'll request Sheenu ma'am to anyhow forward the recording. I think it's live on the YouTube now. So hope you'll be having the video over there itself. No issues. You can just go and watch it. Okay. So here a lot of queries. These recordings, I think, okay. Sheenu ma'am is telling you all will be getting the recording later. So you can go and download it. Yes, Padma, you can download the PPT. I told you, right? You can also export. Let me tell you. After running this, can you see the share button here? You can click on the share. Can you see export? Click on the export and you can export as a PowerPoint or PDF. You can click on export to PowerPoint. Clear? That is how you
Yes.
can download it. And what are questions? Yeah, I will be sharing the PPT also through Sheenu ma'am. Okay. Also, all the prompt. Maybe I think the today's prompt I have pasted into the chat, but even though the prompt we have used for analysis report, the PPT I will be sharing everything. Yes, I think Malvika, I answered your question. After downloading it, you can click on enable editing, click on that logo, remove a watermark and remove it. I showed you, right? You can able to remove the watermark. Okay, and one more query. How many PPTs we can create in Gamma? I think up to slides. We're asking about slides or PPT. I think 40 PPTs you can create in one account. For example, if I have one Gmail account, from that you can create 40 PPTs. Okay.
Can you please repeat how to remove the watermark?
Okay, see, I think I have to download again. Let me do it. Okay, this is my slide now. This is my slide. I think again I've generated this. Now I'm going to share, export, export PowerPoint. Okay, I'm downloading it again. So please everyone watch it. Okay, it is ready. So you will be finding it here. Click on this in your download history. The PPT will be opened. See, can you see this? This is how it will be. Can you see enable editing option? Yes. Click on enable editing. So now you can edit your PPT after downloading it. I think your watermark is here. Can you see? Made with Gamma. It is enable. You can click on everything. It is editable. Okay. So click on this logo, made with Gamma. Click on delete button. That's it. You can remove it and save it. That's it. Very simple. Okay, so if you're wherever you're finding the watermark, I think you can go click on delete. That's it. Okay.
Kindly show it again. I was not able to see.
I think my screen is shared, right?
Watermark. This watermark.
Okay. Watermark. Okay, let me show. See, in this slide, can you see the watermark here made with gamma? Can you able to see? Right side down to the page. Can you see the option under this trolley? Can you see this option called made with
Yes,
gamma?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Click on that. Click on that. Click on delete button. That's it. Okay. In every slide, I think you are getting it. Again, click on this. Click on delete button. That's it. Okay. Yes. I hope everyone understood both the tools which we have explored today. So one more tool is there. I will continue that tomorrow. That it hardly takes 2 minutes, similar to this gamma only, but it behaves in a different way. We'll just take it forward tomorrow. Okay. I hope everyone found useful, right? So I just wanted, like, no, I'm expecting in return back it should use somehow in your work. That's it. Which will reduce your time, right? If you wanted to create the same slide manually, what happens, it takes 1 hour or 2 hours, right? But here just you're giving the prompt, entering, that's it, one button click, it is creating a stunning presentation by itself without any work in between, right? That way it is taking only 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. Thank you everyone for your feedback. So this is
Uh,
yeah. Any doubts?
no, ma'am.
Okay. So like no, we have 4 more days left. I promise you that all the AI tools we're going to see further, it's going to help you a lot more than today. Okay. Because among lakhs of AI tools, I've picked only few which is going to help us a lot.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you
Uh,
everyone.
Good evening, everyone. Uh, Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Maria ma'am. Before giving vote of thanks, I would like to request everyone, please switch on your cameras so that we can take the photograph for the session. Yes. Please, everyone, please switch on the cameras. Thank you. Thank you so much. Good evening, everyone. Um, on behalf of Ganga Education Trust Degree College of Arts, Commerce and Science, I, Avantika Deshpande, would like to thank our speaker, Ms. Maria Shalini ma'am. I would like to thank our founder and chairperson, Professor Mr. B.D. Patil sir, our director, Dr. Anita Patil More ma'am, and our principal ma'am, Dr. Bhavika Karkera. for allowing us to conduct this FDP, and also would like to thank our participants for their participation and cooperation during the faculty development program for this session. And I would also like to thank you, our technical team. Thank you so much, everyone. Before leaving, I'm going to share feedback form in the chat box also, and I'm going to mail it to everyone on their email IDs. Okay, and it is mandatory for everyone to fill this feedback form. Thank you, Maria ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you all. See you again tomorrow, the same time. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.